Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to find tutorials and resources for Bither. First, visit the official Bither website. Here you can find official documentation, guides and updates about the wallet. Look for support or FAQ section where you can find answers to common questions and issues related to Bither. Second step is search on YouTube. Use specific search terms. Go to YouTube and use specific search terms like Bither Wallet tutorial or how to use Bither. This will help you find a variety of video tutorials. You can also look for tutorials from trusted content creators who have a solid reputation in the crypto community to ensure you are getting accurate information. Other thing is join community forums and social media groups. Sign up for forums like Reddit or Bitcoin Talk. Join the cryptocurrency forums like Reddit and Bitcoin Talk and search for threads specifically discussing Bither. Follow the Bither on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. You can also check blogs and crypto websites. Subscribe to newsletter for regular updates and tutorials directly on your inbox. And that is how you can find tutorials and resources for Bither Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.